time I floor it. That sounds so sick. Ooh, I heard a prop on the crackle.
Yeah, this one does that.
If this does that and the Audi doesn't,
You might as well take this.
it's like my sister. She, as soon as she was like, can the GT beat your car? I was like, definitely, anything can beat my car. She was like, alright, I'll just buy that one. I was like, oh, you just want something to beat my car? Probably drinks feels so bad. What about the paddles on this one? You think the paddles quick?
Yeah, the pedals. You can put it on.
Oh, that's so nice. I feel like this can be a sick car. You know, you drop off, you pick up somebody, like you pick up your grandmother from the airport and you have you in a quiet mode, everything. She not expect nothing. When you get on the highway, you just beat it.
Yep.
And then you might have to end the hospital. She get a heart attack. Alright. That is quick. Smell off that V8.
For real. That's fun facts.
It's like V6, cause V6 car have that smell too.
Yeah, all these American cars, they got
Yeah.
that type of exhaust smell.
It's like after you floor it, it's like all the fumes just come inside of the car. To the pop. So if I floor it from right here, it's not gonna get grip?
No.
Huh?
Yeah, it's gonna get grip.
That sounded so good.
Yeah, traction control's on, so you're gonna get the grip.
Oh my gosh. I think I see why my sister likes this. What?
Oh, yeah?
Huh? Brenda!
You might buy this one over there.
Is that me not expect that sound? I love that sound. Yo, this have an exhaust on it?
Yeah.
It does? Okay. Cause that could not sound like that stuck from Dodge. That is crazy. You go mad, everybody. Everybody I go mad. It got a little bit a while ago. But then it like got back straight. I feel like I'm gonna get a bunch of tickets if I buy this car. It's so loud. It sounds nice. One more time. I love the shit. Oh my god, the shifting sound. Alright. I've driven a ZL1, an M3, an M4, a Camaro, I think this is might be the best car I've ever driven. Like that makes me smile. Straight.
Right,
All right.
so if you feel it going sideways, just back up, okay?
All right. So just floor it.
Yeah. Not all the way down, but you know, some power. Go.
Ooh, we got some tires.
Smoke behind.
You know, I love that feeling. The feeling when you have to like turn the steering a little bit to control it. I love it.
Yeah, that's what you call drifting, man.
No, that's what I call it. Burn. You can smell it.
Yeah, tires.
I hate tire smell. It smells so bad. And as I said, whenever you're like fully on it.
Yeah. I wasn't fully on it, so imagine if you're fully on it.
Alright, so we have to turn back around and go back through there. You may go. Big car. Big car with big brakes and great sound. Not even a nice sound. The audio was a cool sound.
Yeah, the audio was nice, but
This is a great sound. And then you can just like, except for that rumble, you wouldn't even know I have a V8.
Yeah.
Even though it says heavy right there. But I can bring somebody in this that doesn't know about cars and they're gonna think they ain't that.
Yep.
Until I put my foot down and then they're gonna be like, ah. Ooh, that pop. Oh my gosh, that's a sweet spot right there. Around 3,000. Alright, ready?
Yep.
Alright. Alright, so if me dip on gas and then I floor it.
Yeah, same thing.
That sounds so sick. He got grip right there. I mean, he keep it in that time and he got back grip. Right. Yeah, I would waste so much gas. I'ma just upshift, downshift, upshift, downshift, upshift, downshift. So you turn off the traction.
Yeah.
So if I floor it like so, it's not gonna do anything.
Yeah, it's gonna.
You're gonna be calm.
Yeah, it's gonna.
You're probably gonna cut the power.
Yeah. No, not cut the power. Just grip.
Oh my gosh. See, now I wish my sister was here. Cause she loves this thing so much.
You should probably buy it and just show up.
Right? And just pick her up from work in it. Oh my gosh. Alright. This our M3. That's the big question now. This our M3.